Stop scrolling if you think secret societies are just a myth. This is the Invisible College, the 17th century underground network of Rosicrucians and scientists who had to hide their discoveries in alchemy and physics to avoid being hunted. The term appears in Robert Boyle's letters around 1646. He's describing natural philosophers meeting in secret, sharing experimental results, and discussing forbidden topics. They call themselves the Invisible College because they have no official building, no public charter, and no way to be tracked. England is in a civil war. The church controls what can be researched. Chemistry looks like witchcraft, studying anatomy means illegally dissecting corpses, and publishing theories contradicting scripture gets you imprisoned or killed. Serious researchers all go underground. And here's what makes this so fascinating. The Invisible College connects directly to the Rosicrucian manifestos that were published decades earlier in Germany. The Fama and Confessio claimed a secret brotherhood of adepts possesses advanced knowledge of nature and medicine, working invisibly to reform human understanding. The manifestos caused chaos. Everyone wanted to find the Rosicrucians. Letters poured into German cities begging for admission, but nobody could locate them because they were invisible, working in society without revealing themselves at all. English intellectuals realized something brilliant. You don't need permission to form an invisible college. Meet privately, share knowledge, advance understanding outside of official channels. Influence the world through your discoveries rather than institutional power. The Invisible College becomes both literal network and operating philosophy. Literal because Boyle, Christopher Wren, Robert Hooke actually met secretly to discuss experiments, and philosophical because they adopted the Rosicrucian model of working invisibly to transform knowledge. So by 1660, they go semi-public as the Royal Society, the most important scientific institution in history. They merged from invisibility only after building enough power and results that they couldn't easily be suppressed. The Rosicrucian influence runs deep. Many members studied alchemy seriously. Boyle wrote about transmutation. Newton spent more time on alchemical experiments than physics. They saw no contradiction because both aimed at understanding nature's hidden principles. What they discovered in secret sessions eventually revolutionized everything. Boyle's gas laws, Hooke's microscopy revealing cells, and Wren's architectural mathematics. Work done in hiding became the foundation of modern science. The invisibility served another purpose too. Working outside official institutions, they could pursue forbidden questions. The church said the earth is the center. They could discuss heliocentric models freely. Medical schools taught outdated theory. They could dissect and observe actual anatomy. The Rosicrucian model appealed to these men because the invisible adept working to benefit humanity without seeking recognition was the way. Staying invisible protected their lives and their work. The Invisible College never fully disappeared either. The Royal Society became visible, but esoteric orders claiming Rosicrucian lineage continued operating in secret. The pattern repeated. Underground network does revolutionary work, emerges partially when safe, and while deeper core traditions remain hidden. Freemasonry absorbed Rosicrucian symbolism. The Golden Dawn claimed the lineage. Modern groups still use Invisible College to describe researchers working outside mainstream institutions on suppressed topics. The appeal makes sense.